So, our community is one of the biggest spaces on the internet, yet, by some chance, some artists get massive on here in little to no time. Now, you may think that is just due to luck, but I'ma keep it real with you, it's not that, and that is just the excuse you have been telling yourself cause your content is just bad, man. So, let me tell you, there is this big secret that artists on social media have been hiding from me, and don't worry, I'm here to tell you this secret. Cause after discovering this method, my art exploded massively, and I can say with certainty, if you follow this method, you can see numbers similar to mine. So, what is the secret I keep yapping about? Well, you see, while trying to grow, there is one thing that I have noticed about all big artists on very different social media platforms. That is that they understand the platform they're posting on. But what does that mean? Well, all the smart artists just post their stuff on every platform without changing anything, and they think they will grow that way. And for the love of God, that is the worst way of trying to grow. Cause gone are the days of you just posting art and it exploding. The biggest artists of any social media platform have understanding of the platform they're posting on, and the content that will be popular and that will explode on that platform. Because every social media has its own ecosystem that is so different from one another, and they know it. They keep the secret from you, and that is why they can get massive engagement, but we struggle to get even 5 likes. So, how do we beat them then? How can we understand our platform better? What I want you to do is just scroll on social media of your choosing and save all the art that has most engagements or most likes. Or look at one of the biggest artists you like and save their videos in one folder. What we are going to do is, we're going to analyze those videos very carefully, mind you. See, what is the thing that is the most common thing? What is the pattern that keeps happening in all those videos? Cause I can promise you there is probably a thing that keeps happening in all of them, or something that is very similar between every single one of them. Let's think, for example, how long are they? What usually they talk about? Is there something that keeps repeating in a lot of those videos? After that, we can just apply all those things into our videos while changing something so that we can stand out from our competition. I will give you an example. Let's say you're trying to grow active. Now, what are the most important things that always work there? Well, there will be relatability and entertainment, and I have done this on accident, before even trying to understand what would people want on that platform. Now, I did this because I was just fucking around at that point. Cause, you know, TikTok has a lot of cringe artists, and like, oh my god, nobody understands me, my life is so bad. Now I realized, wait a second, my artwork is kinda edgy. It'll be something really stupid and cringy to add, and I just placed this cause, oh my god, nobody understands the darkness of my soul, man. And then I was surprised when I woke up and I saw, oh my god, she performed really well, what the fuck? And then I got sad because my next post just kinda tanked. Yeah, we don't talk about that. Now, what you can get from this? Well, let's say you're trying to do a CP. What is something relatable you can add to it? Like, what is something that will resonate with audience? Or, let's say you don't want to do speed paints. Well, it's currently something funny that all artists are doing. There's some really funny video you can make animatic or funny TikTok out of. Also, look what is currently popular. What are popular sounds? What are popular trends? And try to copy it while also adding your own spin to it. And one more advice. For the love of fucking god, look at your analytics, please. They give you this so good of a fucking tool, and you just don't use it for the love of god. Cause that will help you understand what are currently bad about your TikToks, or your videos in general. Cause you can see all of the data. And then, with that data, you can improve on your next TikTok, so that it has really high chances of blowing up. Cause you may think your TikToks are really well, or they're even perfect, cause, man, don't fucking lie. Like, don't even try to guess your shit up. This is your first time, you're going to make mistakes and you're not going to see them. But don't worry, you can just improve, like in art, you can improve this as well. Just keep going and keep trying, cause you can do it. Cause, trust me, if we keep using this method, we can grow our art more in 1 to 2 months than we have ever did in our whole career. And this simple thing anyone can do, cause they have been lying to you. You don't have to be a god artist to be popular, you just need to understand the social media you're doing. So please, get out there, see what's popular, implement it, add your own spin to it, see what you can improve, and trust me, you will beat 99% of the artists, and you will get the dream number or money you have always wanted. Hey yo, thank you for watching. Again, standard shit you hear at the end of the video. Make sure to subscribe, like, and add that bell so you can be notified, because I try to upload every single Sunday. And if you want something or you have any problems, just comment it, cause I read every single one of your comments. With that I can help you, and with that you can help me. You know, sounds like a fair trade. You help you help me. Also, if you like the drawing in the background, I have Instagram and my TikTok, so that will be in the description. But anyway, thank you for watching. I'm Santi, and bye bye.
One thing, I'm not a big fan of the government. 30 on 30. I'm not a big fan of the government.